What separates a good video from a great one? It's not just the clips themselves. It's the flow. It's the energy. It's the story you tell between the cuts. The first video was just a collection of clips. The second was an experience. The difference is a mastery of effects and transitions. Welcome to episode 6 of the CapCut Masterclass. Today, we move beyond static edits and learn to breathe life and motion into our work. You will learn not just how to apply effects, but how to combine and customize them to create a signature style. Section 1. The Foundation Mastering Transitions. Let's start with the most fundamental tool for creating flow, the transition. A transition's job is to smoothly guide the viewer from one scene to the next. CapCut makes this incredibly easy. Between any two clips, you'll see this icon. This is your gateway to the transitions library. Tapping it opens up a world of options. The library is sorted into categories. The basic category is your workhorse. It contains simple, clean transitions like fades and dissolves that are useful in almost any video. To apply one, simply tap it. Now for the most important rule of transitions. Just because you have hundreds of options doesn't mean you should use them all. Overusing flashy transitions is the fastest way to make your video look amateurish. For 90% of your cuts, a simple mix or a fade is the most professional choice. Save the more dramatic transitions, like those in the camera or effect categories, for moments that truly need special emphasis. If you've decided on a simple style, you can use the Apply to All button to add the same transition to every cut in your project, saving you a massive amount of time. Section 2. A deep dive into video effects. While transitions connect clips, effects change the look and feel of the clips themselves. This is where you can add energy, create a mood, or simulate camera motion. In the Main Effects tab, you will find video effects. This is where we'll be working. Tapping it opens another library, sorted into categories like opening and closing, lens, and nightclub. Let's demonstrate with a classic, the shake effect. When you select an effect, it's added as a new layer above your timeline. This is important. It means the effect is non-destructive and can be moved and adjusted independently. Every effect can be customized. Select the effect layer and tap Adjust. Here, you can fine-tune the parameters to get the exact look you want. For the shake effect, you can control its speed and intensity. This same process applies to any effect, whether it's a glitch for a techie feel, or blur to create a dreamy look or focus the viewer's attention. Remember, you control the duration by simply dragging the ends of the effect layer. You can make an effect last for the entire clip, or just for a fraction of a second. Section 3. Advanced Technique Layering Multiple Effects. This is a technique that will immediately elevate your edits. CapCut allows you to stack, or layer, multiple effects on top of each other to create a completely unique, custom look. Let's start with a base layer. I add a shake effect, but I'll adjust it to be a very subtle, nervous vibration. Now, here's the key. Go back and add another effect. This time, I add chromatic aberration, as you can see. CapCut creates a second effect layer. The two effects are now working together, combining to create a look that's impossible to achieve with a single effect. You can stack as many as you need. And because they are on separate layers, you have complete control. You can have one effect run the entire length of the clip, while another flashes on for just a few frames. This is how you create dynamic, complex visuals right inside CapCut. Section 4. Pro Transitions Creating Your Own. Now, let's combine our knowledge to create advanced transitions that aren't in the default library. Our first technique is the effect-based transition. Instead of using the transitions menu, add an effect layer. Like a blur or a glitch, position this layer so it's centered directly over the cut between two clips. The effect will ramp up on the first clip and resolve on the second. creating a seamless, custom transition that feels integrated into the video. Our second pro technique is the overlay transition. Use the overlay feature to add a stock footage element, like a light leak or film burn, on a track above your main clips. Position it over the cut. And then use the blend menu to change its mode to filter or screen. This removes the black background, blending the light effect over your footage to create a beautiful, organic transition. That was a deep dive into motion and style. Let's recap the key best practices. You are now equipped with the skills to make your videos flow and pop like a pro. If you found this detailed guide valuable, please hit that like button. It's a huge help and allows others to find this masterclass. Make sure you subscribe and have notifications turned on, because in our next and final episode of this series, episode 7, we will unlock the single most powerful feature in all of video editing: mastering keyframes. You will learn to animate anything and everything. It's the episode that ties everything together. Thank you for learning with us. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the finale.